This is the video about cable tester and maker. You can see you have RJ45 and RJ11. I've just started it. It has on, which is fast way, this is slow way, and off, I'll show you later. Also, it's this very easy way to make. You have for 6P, 4P, and this is for the Ethernet cable. They're very good rubber ones. So I have some cables here. From those cables, this part broke, so I want to replace them in order to work. I have two cables. I want to test them out here now with you. So first I'll put it to slow and I'll put it in one side and the other here. And you can notice 6, 7, 8 starts from the beginning first. That's the pairs, the wires, not pairs, because this is single wires. I have 8. So this is straightforward cable. You can see it when you watch it. But this cable test, I have another cable here that I will switch on. I'll try to test it, and here I'll start first with one of the sides. Okay, plugged it in, and the other side, and we'll see what kind of cable I do have, and I'll test now. Okay, 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 6, 3 goes to 1, 4 it's equal, 5 is equal, 6 doesn't work. That could be of the cable, because I don't have on this cable also these wires. Let's see the second time. No ones. Okay, I'll put it faster. Strange. So probably this cable is broken now, because 6 doesn't make connection every time. That's good to know, because I haven't used it for a quite long time. The problem is not in the tester, it's definitely in the cable, because if the tester was the problem with the other cable that I've got here, it will have problem, it won't go into. Here I'm showing you. Everything works, so it's definitely tester works, and my cable needs to be crimped again and created. Other than this, we have a tool for, you can see, telephone connections. Build quality is not superb, but I will say it works. It will do the job. It doesn't click, doesn't go in. So just, if you want to put it in, and another tool that's also useful. I can see. So that's a short video about this great set. I liked very much that it has cover all this, everything is packed there very well, and I definitely gonna use it. I'm using it already. I have to fix this cable then. Well, that's from me. Bye bye.